Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In this short video, you're going to learn how to become a top producer in any network marketing or direct sales opportunity using the internet without recruiting friends and family, without doing meetings, without prospecting strangers. Same formula that I used to go from ground zero to hitting $30,000 months, becoming a top producer in 2 programs. Going to get started with the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address. Get my 10-day attraction marketing video bootcamp. 1 video per day in your inbox, how to generate leads, how to recruit reps. You'll get ongoing training emails thereafter. I'll teach you how to be successful in your business. Right on that page, after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. This guide is incredible. This is the blueprint in much more detail. How I went from ground zero to hitting $30,000 months. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, MIT graduate. The guy's basically a marketing genius. Get this guide. It is so valuable. Let's get right into the training. Step 1, build a list. Build a list. And by build a list, I mean generate leads online. Develop a list of leads online that is ever growing. You will run out of friends and family to talk to you about your opportunity. You must generate leads online. Leads that you generate will convert into sales and signups much better than leads that you buy. When you have a list of leads, you have an asset. There's an expression, the money's in the list. You now have an audience to which you can market your opportunity and sell your products, an ever-growing audience. More than that, if you change network marketing companies, if the company goes in a direction you don't like or changes the comp plan in a way that you don't like, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden by your company. But when you have your own list of leads that you're developing, you can market your new opportunity and grow a downline very, very quickly to that audience. This is how downlines are built very quickly in this industry. Step 2, warm your list. Warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You cannot simply generate leads and then pitch your opportunity, pitch your business right away, pitch your products. It's not going to work. You must cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The best way to do this, send out short business tips, emails, videos, live streams, whatever format's the right fit for you. Short business tips in one of those formats that helps people grow their business. Just summarize a little bit of what you've learned elsewhere on a training, at an event, from a webinar, from a course you've gone through. Just be the messenger. You don't need to originate this content. Think of any teacher you've had, elementary school, high school, college. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarized what's in the textbook. That's all you need to do. When you do this, you cultivate trust. You warm your audience. They see you as a trusted guide, a trusted advisor. Now, step 3, you sell to your list. It's very natural. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. People will come to you and ask you, hey, what are you promoting? How do I join your team? This is how I recruited over 200 people into one opportunity. I've got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link right below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing formula video bootcamp, 1 video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. You'll get ongoing video trainings from me and other trainings from me in your inbox. Right on that page, as I mentioned, after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Best training guide in the industry, hands down, how to grow a very successful network marketing business online. Much more thorough than what I can get to in just a video or video series. Fernie Ceballos, the author, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner. The guy's basically a marketing genius, as I mentioned. One of my mentors. This is the blueprint I followed to go from ground zero to hit those $30,000 months. Absolutely get this guide. It is incredibly valuable. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.